Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to replace WhatsApp ringtone with your own music on Redmi 13c device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, go ahead and open WhatsApp application on your device. Well, after that you can press 3 dots at the top right corner and then please select settings option. Okay, after that here you can choose notifications menu. And then please scroll down. Well, and then please select ringtone option. Okay, and then now please choose the audio folder on your device. And then select the music you want to use as a WhatsApp ringtone. Well, that's the tutorial on how to replace WhatsApp ringtone with your own music on Redmi 13c device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.